Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix lag and frame drops on your HP Victus laptops. So the first thing that you want to do is to exit or limit background applications. In my case, I'm opening up multiple programs like my CapCut right here, my cameras, my calculator, my browser tab, files, and many more. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to actually free up resources in order to allocate more to gaming. So just close everything out. You can also navigate through your system tray. And from here, maybe you want to close something out like WhatsApp. I have my SteelSeries GG application. I have my Discord. I have my Dropbox and many more. Basically, this will leave no resources on the actual gaming itself. So you want to close some background applications in order to fix this. Now from there, you want to head over to your Omen Gaming Hub, and basically you just want to set this to the performance mode. So with performance, it will actually boost out our resources. So it's going to be this one. Just make sure that this is selected and it will actually boost your system to gaming. Right after, let's then go ahead and update our graphics card drivers, which is an essential item or file for gaming. Now in here, you just want to search for NVIDIA and simply search for the graphics card that you currently own. In my case, I'm using the NVIDIA 3060 Ti. You just want to type drivers right here. And head over to the official website, search for your graphics card model, and then you want to get the official graphics card right here. So after following these steps, you will be able to simply eliminate the lags and frame drops on your laptop. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.